Yo, hello guys and welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing this right here. Yeah, this is a blue lock figure, and it took 3 days for this to arrive, and I bought it off Amazon, as you can see. And let's open it. Wait, how do you even open this? Okay, we're back, and I have scissors now. Perfect. I gotta be careful so I don't cut the figure. Here it is. You can see it, right? So yeah, this is a Rio figure. And Rio is a character that I really like. So yeah, let's open this. So let's open it. Here. So I'm pretty sure we have the parts. Here. We have this box. And we have it. The figure is kinda, yeah, it's into parts. So I need to put them together. So let's do that. Open it. Oh my god. Top here. Really cool. Why is this neck so long? I don't know if you can see it on camera that it's long. Yeah, it's pretty long. Yeah, I don't care. Let's get it together. Okay, we have the legs. So I'm gonna put these together. Boom! It's together now. This is figure. Yeah. But still needs to do a little bit more here. So let's use scissors. We have this part. And this. And this. So we think we need to put this right here. Other side. Boom. Okay, now we have this. And yeah, we gotta put it right there. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is kinda hard to get in. Okay. Oh, it's like no. I think I did it. Yeah, I did it. Okay, and then in here. Oh my gosh, this is kind of hard to put together. But it. I managed to. His legs are in the way. Okay, can your legs just get away a little bit? Okay, other side. Boom. I think it's done now. Yes. Yes, the figure is done. Look at that. Okay, so this is the front, side, back, other side, and front. Very good. So I'm gonna put this in my bookshelf now. So boom, here we have my manga collection. Very good, right?
No.
And we're gonna put the Rio figure right here. I'm stepping in my Legos. Okay. Let's put it right here. Done. Look at that. Look at the Rio. That looks so good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.